start, guys. Making our way to Philinvest. Tatakbo tayo. We're gonna do a 5K. I'm preparing for an event that's gonna happen in about 5 weeks. It's a 10K challenge. You know, mag sub 1 ka sa 10K. I've done that before a few times, but I'll be honest with you, mahirap mag sub 1 sa 10K. It's not easy, you know. I'm not a pure runner. I've admittedly and proudly gotten better over the years na rin, but I can't really consider myself a runner. You know, I'm not like some hardcore runners out there na magagaling talaga. That's why I keep doing it. Ito, we're making our way to Philinvest. We're passing Evia. Evia's on our left. And we're gonna take the Angare. It's early, it's 6:18 in the morning, and we were caught in a little bit of traffic back there. Passing Verdana, yung stoplight ng Verdana, going to Evia. It causes a long line, I tell you. And we're past that. And dahil dadaan tayo ng Daanghari, you know Daanghari, guys. Maynilad country yan. At daming hukay dyan. And yung mga construction dyan, ang tagal matapos. Aga-aga nag-rant ako. It's a beautiful morning nevertheless. I feel good. We're going on this training run. We're probably gonna do intervals. Looks like a nice day to do that. It's late January, malamig. Nagto 12 degrees, no? 12, 13, 14. Early morning. This is a unique setup for me. First time I'm doing something like this, yung ganitong camera ko naka-mount sa sombrero ko. So I don't know your view. So I'm hoping this turns out fine. I'm from these parts. If you've been following me, I'm a long time subscriber na kayo. If you watch my videos, you know I'm from the south. These parts specifically, Daanghari. I ride this path when I go on my rides, when I meet up with my buddies at Alabang Town Center. So I live back there, pero bakit ako dito papunta sa Philinvest? I love Philinvest as a training area. Ikot ka ng Palms, diba? Daan ng konting Commerce Avenue, ikot ng Spectrum, Finance Drive. Yung paikot na yun, I love it because it's hilly and mapuno. And if you go early enough, like what I'm gonna do, I like what's gonna happen when I get there. It's still gonna be early enough para hindi maging sobrang busy. We're passing Katarungan Village. That's to the right. I really hope you're getting good footage here. Sana hindi siya nakatingala. Yeah, I'm talking about the camera. Feeling the traffic slow down a little bit na. Dito na tayo sa mga hukay-hukay ng Maynilad. Tagal na ako annoyed dito. Napakatagal. Palagi may hukay. Tagal-tagal gawin. I don't know what's going on. Now before you call me a whiner, May karapatan naman ako mag-wine, ano? Tayo. Kami mga taga dito, asar na talaga kami. It just creates this bottleneck, no? Napakatagal na, years. Hukay ng Maynila. Yeah, to our left is Versailles. Development din yan. Yung rightmost lane, and the lane that's next to me dito, immediate sa kanan, bike lane na yan eh. Pero sa umaga, lalo na pag sumisikip na, wala, dadaanan na ng auto yan. Wala eh, naipon ng sasakyan eh. I have an alternate route actually from my place. If I want to go to Philinvest, let's say I want to go to ATC or Festival Mall, minsan I can do MCX. Lalabas ako sa highway, labas MCX, tapos pasok sa Philinvest exit, Philinvest/Alabang exit. Sometimes I do that. Right now, I wish I did. Pero actually, dun sa MCX, nagkakapila din, no? Naging daanan na talaga siya. I remember a few years ago, wala naman dumadaan talaga na MCX, but people have found MCX to be the best route. Kung pupunta ka ng kung ang direction mo Cavite, minsan mga Palaguna, dito rin pumapasok sa MCX. Okay, traffic is a little extra this morning. Baka may bagong hukay o baka linaparan nila yung hukay. No, what I'm saying is baka lumiit yung daan, baka humaba yung construction zone or whatever. It's just worse this morning. Versailles Town Plaza pala, hindi Versailles Town Center, Versailles Town Plaza. VTP, hindi siya VTC. Versailles Town Plaza. Most people I know, ang bigas nila dyan, Versailles. No, hindi naman mali yun, Versailles. Pilipino tayo, di ba? Yun naman ang spelling nga eh, di ba? Versailles, hindi mo masisisi. Pero Versailles yan, Versailles. French. Mabilis pa langgam. Look at this. When I thought of filming my drive to Philinvest, nung umalis ako ng bahay, you know, I had this nice idea na I'm gonna take you guys along, you know, drive along tayo, take you guys on the trip. Nag-imagine ako ng ang ganda lang makipagkwentuhan sa inyo, smooth driving, tuloy-tuloy. Hindi yun na nangyayari ngayon. So, traffic jam. Patay pala ako ng AC. Got cold. Lamig these days, no? Lamig na yan, tumatagal hanggang February. Sarap. Oh, yan, Versailles Town Plaza. You see that? Oh, yan. There's restaurants, may Chevy dealership dyan. You know, it's really bad when even the motorcycles can't filter. Maski sila ipit eh. I'm telling you, kada umaga masikip dito, okay? Pero gumagalaw kahit paano. Ngayon jam eh. I don't know. So as I mentioned, baka may dagdag hukay or baka may aksidente. Sana hindi naman. But it's worse this morning. It's going on. Let's go. Let's change lanes. Speaking of changing lanes, usong-uso yung double yellow, double white, solid single white, solid single yellow, broken white lines, tapos faded, ano? Galing eh. To our left is The Bend, kung tawagin. It's a commercial area. It's just past Versailles. No? If you see Petron over there, may papasok yan eh. Yan dyan ang Two Wheel Nation. It's another bike shop that I go to. Lapit kasi sa amin. Pero hindi yan ang first choice ko. May mas malapit. I typically go to Supreme Bikes. It's just about 2 kilometers from my home. This is a little farther, pero in the same area. So yeah, I go to Two Wheel Nation when kung necessary lang. Okay, this lane papasok ng Ayala Alabang. You see the cars breezing through this side. Pero minsan, at kadalasan mga UV Express katulad nito ay C1. Ito, ayan, mga UV yan eh. They take it. Winawalang hiya na nila. Babarahan na nila kahit yung access to Ayala Alabang eh kukunin na rin nila yun. But of course we're not gonna do that, no? Disiplina eh. Okay, look guys, we're at the belly of the beast. This is the culprit right here. Champaka Gate of Ayala Alabang, and we're approaching the Maynilad construction zone. And there you have it, as I suspected. Fully closed, totally closed itong lane natin, itong kalye natin, ano. So we're having to counterflow a little bit. It's ridiculous. Nakita mo yung pila eh, talagang mas gumarabe. Ngayon lang to, I don't know, maybe it's been there for a couple days, maybe kahapon lang nasimulan. Hindi ako aware, pero bago to. Oh man, it's crazy. Grabe, napakatagal na nito. Ganito pa rin. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I'm against this. I'm not saying I'm against construction. I'm not saying I'm against repairs and road work. Kailangan yan. You need that for the overall improvement of infrastructure and services, lalo na kung tubig. Maynilad, come on guys. May installation na gagawin, uhukay, papasok na lang whatever that thing is. Looks like an elbow connector. Pero they've been doing this thing for years, and I don't know what's going on. Maybe you work for Maynilad, maybe you have friends there, or maybe you live here and you know, you have information, you know, you've heard the stories, and maybe you've asked people and you do know what's going on. Share nyo naman, bakit ang tagal na? And why is it concentrated dun sa area na yon? no? In particular, yan Champaka area. Look, we're finally breathing here. Tuloy-tuloy na to. It's just a sad situation back there. Pag dyan ka dumaan, ganong katagal ba yun? Naubos tayo doon ng mga 20 minutes at least. If you're watching this, you know, it's late January. Take a hint na rin. Kung kaya nyo iwasan nyo siguro. And by the size of that connector, yung ibabaon nila sa lupa, it looks like it's gonna be it's not gonna be a quick project. Mahaba pa yan. It just feels nice to finally move, no? We're hitting 80 kph right now. Now this is still Daang Hari. Approaching Alabang West Parade. Okay, we have a Starbucks over here. Madalas din tayo dyan when we go on our bike rides. Over there, may UCC. Tumatambay din tayo dyan. UCC Park Cafe. Landers over here. Oh, ito pala yung hindi na makukuha ng camera eh. But they recently leveled this area. Tinanggal nila yung dampa. Talagang they flattened the land. Giniba yung building. They're gonna put something new there. Hindi pa natin alam kung ano. Pero dyan dati yung Bicycology, one of my first bike shops na pinupuntahan when I started cycling. Bicycology. Kay Kuya Dodong, kay Master Dodong. O, diba? Smooth sailing from here eh, oh. Kita mo yan? Tuloy-tuloy lang. This is the end of Daang Hari. We're gonna make a right to Commerce Avenue. Yeah, we're quite there. Lapit na. Pasok tayo ng Alabang West Gate. That's where we're gonna park. That's where we start our run. Hindi ko na kayo sasama sa run. Drive lang ang balak talaga natin for this video. If you're still watching, salamat for staying on. Thanks for watching, you know. Kita nyo sitwasyon dito. If you're from here, siguro pinanood nyo, no? you share my frustration dito sa Daang Hari and the construction that's happening. Wanna be clear again, hindi ako whiner na walang dahilan. I wanna understand things, bakit ganyang katagal na yan. And with understanding comes you know, you might get to accept the situation pag alam mo nangyayari. But whatever the case may be, traffic is traffic. Pag nag-okay talaga, magta-traffic dyan eh. Sino bang natutuwa sa traffic, diba? Alabang, Main Gate, Madrigal, Commerce Avenue, Alabang Town Center. This is it. You know this area. It's 6:51. Lumabas na araw. I expected to get there at 6:30. But it is what it is. We're gonna go on a run. I'm gonna have fun. We're gonna shake off this traffic inis ng konti. You know, there's nothing a good run can't handle, diba? Guys, be safe. God bless you all. See you next time.